Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the alphabet challenge. So basically I'll put my makeup routine currently that I use on the screen now, and basically you switch it around so that it's in alphabetical order and you have to do your makeup in that order. So I don't know how this is going to turn out. I'm going to try and make it look as good as possible for the end result, so that maybe my makeup will be wearable, but I'm going to see how we get on. So if you like this video and you want to see how I get on in the video, please give it a like, comment and subscribe and enjoy the video. First is B, which is blush. It's a bit of a weird product to start off with, but I've got a liquid blush, so I think I'm going to do that instead so that it's okay under foundation rather than wearing powder under it. I don't know how bright this is, but the iconic London sheer blush in Power Pink. So I'm just going to pop a little bit on my hand and whoa! So I'm just going to blend that in. I mean, it's not the cutest look ever. Jesus. Okay. It's okay. So I hate my natural skin, the natural redness of my skin, so can't say I'm too fond of how this is looking right now. So next is brow. This Maybelline Tattoo Brow. This is in the shade Ash Brown. Fill in my brows as normal. This would usually be one of my first steps anyway, so that's not too bad. We can work around that. And they're looking a bit blocky, to be honest, so I'm just going to go in with the spoolie and just brush them out a little bit. So my brows are now done, so we're going to move on to bronzer. I think I have a liquid bronzer somewhere. This was sent to me a while ago, and I've never actually used it, so this would be a good opportunity to use it as well. Really? What's going on? Oh, here we go. Good start. I mean, I've never used it, so it's full, so I don't know why it's not coming out. So what brush should I use for this? I use this brush. I'll just see how this goes. I mean, it's not brilliant, and I don't think I'd wear this on top foundation, to be honest. I've never tried it, so maybe I should try it really, but I don't know. I've put it everywhere that I would put it. It's not really come up, which doesn't really matter because I'm going to be putting foundation over it eventually, but I mean, it is there. So bronze, so we've done blush, brows, bronzer, so now it's on to C, which is concealer. So I'm going to use the NYX HD concealer in the shade 02 and just conceal where I would usually conceal. And I can cover up my spots as soon as it's under my foundation. I'm trying to bring it down a little bit to tone down the pink, because that's really going to come through when I put the foundation on. Next is E, so it's going to be eyeliner. I'm going to do a liquid eyeliner. I'm not going to wing it out, I'm just going to do normal liner, and this is going to look terrible once I put the eyeshadow on. I'm going to have to try and avoid it. So my eyeliner is done, so now is eyeshadow, which is just the most random order. haven't really planned an eyeshadow look, to be honest, so I think I'm going to use the Morphe Jeffree Star palette. Let me see what we've got going on here. Might do a pink look. Do a pink look. Why not? So I'm just going to get this Urban Decay brush and go in with Self-Made. And just... oh, it's going to look so weird as well with... because my foundation... whatever. I'm going to make it work. So I'm just going to blend that out. Use the other side to blend it a bit better. As well, I'm trying not to get too close to the eyeliner because I don't want that smudging in with it, really. Making it dark. There's like a really shimmery shade called Designer Label. I'm going to go in with that, I think. And just pack that on the lid. Again, trying not to go over the black eyeliner because obviously I can't go back over it to darken it again. And I'm just going to go back in with the pink and darken that up again. On the outside, just to blend it in. There's a shade called Don't Know Her. It's like a shimmery darker pink. I'm just going to add that there, I think. On the bottom. On the outer bottom. Maybe just pop a bit on here as well. That's my eyes done. It's such a weird order right now. I look so strange. So after eyeshadow is foundation. It's so odd. I use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I'm going to try and do it in more of a stippling motion so that I don't smudge the under makeup too much, and so maybe it will come through a little bit, especially like the bronzer, which you can barely see under it anyway, so it's not really going to work quite well. I need to add some more foundation because there's so much product underneath. It's not really covering it that well, but this is a really good foundation to be using for this because it's got a very good coverage. So doing it in a stippling motion is fine, but it takes so much longer. My arms are killing. I think that's as good as it's going to get for the foundation, to be honest. It's definitely not my best, but it has got a lot of products underneath, so I don't expect it to be working brilliantly. So next is highlight. I'm going to use a liquid highlight again. I've got these, I haven't used these yet, the W7 Beam Me Up illuminators. They sent me a bunch of these, so I'm going to use this shade, which is Volcano. This is like a whiter kind of shade. Ooh. I think maybe I should have shook it first because all the oils come to the top and now it's so oily, it's horrible. Okay, so let me just wipe this off my hand because it's everywhere. So now I've highlighted. It's not a bad highlighter, to be honest. It goes with the pink quite nicely. So next is highlight lashes. So this isn't going too bad, to be honest. I mean, it could be a lot worse. So I'm going to use these unicorn lashes in the shade Peachy Pie. They don't really feel like that on properly. I think it's because I haven't put them to the mascara, but that's fine. So next is lips. Is it? Yeah, lips. So I'm going to just use a lipstick. I'm going to use this Huda Beauty liquid lipstick and in the shade Girlfriend. So next is letter M. So the first one is mascara. So I'm going to be using this Big and Extreme mascara from Avon. My mum is a rep, so I get a lot of their makeup for Christmas, it seems, in my stocking. Yes, I still get a stocking. I'm just going to coat my bottom lashes. I don't do too much on the top because I don't really want to get them all over my fake lashes now. because that would kind of ruin them, so I'd rather not do that. So that looks so much better now. So next, the last two just ruin everything. So this one is powder. So I'm going to be using the e.l.f. powder, Prime and Stay finishing powder in light to medium. I haven't actually used this in so long, but I'm going to do it with a smaller brush so that I can just do it around my face. It's going to get rid of the highlight, but what can you do? To be honest, that hasn't really made too much of a difference actually. I've tried to avoid the highlighter as much as I can. Don't know if that's cheating, but... And the last one is primer. So I'm not going to get a primer and rub it all over my face, but what I do have is this liquid primer. This is by Pixi, the Glow Mist, and this can be before or after your makeup. So this is a primer in my eyes. So I'm just going to spray my face. And I'm done. So that actually didn't turn out bad at all. I thought it was going to be way worse than what it was. I mean, yeah, not bad. I mean, I could do with a bit more bronzer to shape my face a bit, but luckily the highlight has kind of stayed there, so it's not too bad. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon for notifications for videos in the future that I do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you... Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.